Hi and welcome back to Gage Boys Garage. Today we are replacing the rear window that I smashed out in the last wheeling trip. We're not going to replace it with regular glass though. I'm going to try something different. I don't know if it'll work. You guys will find out. I'm going to use some acrylic, like Lexan, plexiglass, whatever you want to call it, and try and stick it in here. But the first step is removing the old seal. So I got this big sheet of paper from the house. I'm not sure what it's for, but I'm gonna lay this on here, and you can see, you can feel the window seam. And this is how I'm gonna draw out the shape of the window. See, you can see it there. And then I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna cut it out on the line that I draw, and then I'm gonna transfer it onto my piece of plexiglass or Lexan. So I've kind of just ran my finger around the edge here and just tried to gently score an edge here on the edge of the window. Now I'm just gonna try to go around with this marker and mark the edge of the window carefully. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, I went around and drew it out on my piece of paper. Kind of looks like a kindergartner drew the line, but it should be good enough. So I just got a pair of scissors. So as you guys saw, I traced out my template onto the glass here. And the next step is just to cut it out. So I got this thing cut out. I have not done the radiuses on the corners yet because circular saws are not very good for making a corner. But this thing's not looking too bad. If it actually fits in the window, I think we're doing pretty well. Well, I got the window sitting in its spot. That top radius is pretty good. I think I'm gonna put a little more radius on these top corners. Now, this one matches pretty good, but this one, I think I'm gonna cut it in a little bit farther, make it match a little bit better. Now, I just wanted to explain for a second why you would do something like this. Now, plexiglass, Lexan, whatever, is like, I think 200 times stronger than regular glass. And so it's not gonna just shatter like this one. As you can see, I just bumped into this tree and the whole window exploded. This will not do that. This can flex and bend a little bit, and you won't have it just shattering all over and making a huge mess. The other thing is, even if you do break this, it's not gonna shatter and make a huge mess. And as you guys saw on the title, we're gonna be putting some hinges on here and making this back open like it should have from the factory. So when you're on a big incline, all your stuff in the back slides to the back of your hatch, right? And if you get stuck and you need to open your hatch to get your recovery gear out, you open the hatch, everything falls out the back of the Jeep. Pain in the ass. This way, just open the window up. The gate is still holding all your stuff in. Grab your ropes, do your recovery. Everything's good. So those are my reasons for trying this project. And also I got quoted like $300 to replace this window, and I really didn't want to do that. So funny enough, all this stuff can be found on Amazon. I think I have like 40 bucks between all of it. I got some seal. This is gonna go onto the lip on the Jeep, and then the window's gonna close and seal on this bulb here. These are gonna be the hinges. These will go on the top and allow the window to swing up. And then these are kind of the trick here. These latches will go in the window on the right and the left. And when you close it, you push this and it pushes it, the whole window, down into the seal and collapses the seal and should keep the window tight against the Jeep when you're driving down the road or doing whatever. So that's the plan. So I'm gonna have to cut some holes in the window for these to fit into. And then I'm gonna have to bolt these onto the Jeep and onto the window. Okay, so I have a couple of these screws in the hinges and it swings open really nice. But when I go and try and close it, this seal is way too stiff. So I think I'm gonna try and cut the seal down a bit thinner because it's way too stiff, as you can see, for this glass. This would probably work fine on a door or something, but this isn't strong enough to push it all back evenly. So I'm probably gonna have to cut that seal down a little bit. I'm gonna try that and see what happens. All right, so I got the window fully installed. I don't have the seal on it because my seal is just too big. So I'm gonna find a new seal and I'll put it in the description for you guys so you know what seal will work for this. And so I'll show you it working. Flick the latches, and then you can just grab them, open your window up. I do plan on adding gas struts to this, but I want to just test this out and use it before I spend a bunch of money on gas struts because they're kind of expensive. So if you thought this was a good idea, let me know. If you have any suggestions, make it better, put them in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to see more content like this, check out our channel. We have lots of build videos and wheeling videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.